It's a 2015 Acura TLX. A fresh and unique experience. It offers up all the thrills and luxuries you've come to expect in an Acura. Embrace the road with precision all-wheel steer, which adjusts the rear wheels to complement the front when making turns. Noise dampening technology, a power sunroof, memory settings, and keyless access keep every other aspect of driving just as elegantly effortless.
The soundtrack to your life comes through crystal clear with the premium Acura ELS sound system. Crank up your tunes and hit the road. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is. Program garage door openers, gates, and lighting systems with HomeLink.
Let the rhythm of the road take you when you test drive this TLX today.
Pohanka Acura is a great place to buy a car. We're conveniently located at 13911 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway, Route 50 in Chantilly.